good is this? This does me, thank you.
Menu.
Thank you.
Parking? Here's one of those craft beer places.
That place is huge. I come through the front door and it's a little air-conditioned box. We've had banh mi a few times. They've been a little sparse.
Be careful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Come on.
Be careful.
Oh, hot. Yeah.
Little street side banh mi.
Yeah. You got a stool and everything?
You're gonna have to hold it, I think.
This is...
Cut off. Unless you're happy to sit like that.
Okay, we've had a few banh mi's since been in Vietnam.
True.
They've been a little sparse.
True.
This looks a little fuller
Yeah.
than what we've seen so far.
Definitely, and just watching her make it, you can see everything that went into the banh mi. We're just on a little street side cart here in the middle of Hoi An. You can see all the way around, there's just tons of markets all the way down the street, up, down, food shops, clothes shops.
This place is buzzing.
Yeah.
It's out of control.
Yeah. But looking forward to this. I got the traditional Hoi An. I didn't ask what was in it, I just said, give me the traditional Hoi An. Done. Let's give it a taste. The only thing it's missing is that really nice fresh coriander, but I didn't see any up there. She might have sold out.
But having said that, there's more salad than any other ones we've seen so far.
Mixed meat as well, and I got a little extra onion off this guy. So can he put all his onion in mine?
Well, I asked for no onion, I've sure to put it on. Shook most of it off, but left a little on there, so there's a few scurries that I threw over to him.
Can't get much better. Street side banh mi. I wish we'd done this last time we were in Vietnam. We were so scared when we first got here. We were like, what do we do? We'd never been to Vietnam before, and we were like walking on eggshells everywhere. We only ate at like fast food places and fine dining places. It's good, guys. Just grab a banh mi. They're everywhere. Cheers.
Here's my banh mi. I got the chicken. A little spicy, so here we go. They have perfected these buns. Oh my god, they're so good. Even without the good ingredients. This is actually my first chicken one. I had a few different pork ones. First chicken. She shredded it straight off the bone in front of us. I approve. Very pretty though.
What's up, guys? Here in Hoi An. Check this place out. It's an awesome night market spot. Looks like they close the street off every single night. It's lit up full of lanterns. Ooh. You may die. So the only thing getting through the street at this time of night is specifically just bicycles. So no cars, no motorbikes, nothing motorised whatsoever, except for a couple of electric bikes I've seen a few times. Bicycles seem to be the way to go around here. Well, there's an electric bike just passed. But have a look, man. I mean, it's super nice. If you want to have a look, once you're done through those side alleys which lead you to the main streets, over on the left here you've got a full lineup of lantern lit streets on the other side of the river as well. So essentially, I'm assuming to keep walking down the way we're going, we cross a bridge and we get to that side section, which is basically the exact same setup as this street. But both sides, you've got access to these boats. They're set up in little sections where you can get on and off the boat. I'm not 100% sure how much they charge. We didn't check that one. But as far as you can see down the river, there are these boats with lanterns. Hundreds of them. They're endless. They go on and on and on. Here's one coming in the dock. Families getting on and off. Just trying to get a couple of photos of myself. This place looks magic, lit up at night. Crazy. Just also noticed, guys, we've got these ladies walking around with these lanterns. Oh, thank you. I'm not 100% sure if these are floating lanterns or whether they're just to carry around.
Candles are floating.
Yeah, so you put them in the water.
Yeah, they put them up there with a pole and put them down.
Ah, so it's like a katong thing. Sample of what Hoi An has to offer here in Da Nang. You could see, you've got markets, you've got boat tours, you've got food, you've got drink, and it's all amazing.
And an abundance of all of that.
True.
Even tailors.
And tailors, massage shops, clothing stores, retail outlets. It's insane. Everything you want, it's right here in Hoi An. So that is it for this video, guys. Please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. Thanks for sticking around if you did. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell notification icon to get notified every time we bring you another video like this. Anyway, for now, we're back to the bikes. It's about a half-hour ride back to Da Nang, or specifically the Da Nang province area where we are staying. Side note, it's the middle of summer here. I do not recommend coming in the middle of summer. Completely drenched in sweat. I took a couple of funny photos of Dallas with his shirt, sweat patches. That was funny. I liked it. I'm sure I'm probably just as bad, to be honest. But make sure, do your research on the seasons before you come here if you have issues with certain levels of heat, because it can get quite hot, quite exhausting. Anyway, enough of that. Thanks, guys. We'll see you in the next one.